This video will show you how to make a pie chart. Let's say that I have 100 students that I ask a question. What is your favorite kind of music? And let's say, for example, that 25 respond by saying country. That's my favorite kind of music. 50 say they love contemporary hits. 15 say they like rock. And 10 say some other kind of music. So in order to make a pie chart, I need to have some kind of a pie. So draw a circle on your paper. And I like to figure out where my center would be. Now the easiest one for me to fill in will be 50 because that's half of my circle. So I'm just going to go straight across and I'm going to label this 50%. 50% because 50 out of 100, that would be 50% of my pie. This would be my contemporary hits. Now from here, I see this 25, and that's a quarter of a pie. So out of this half left, I'm going to split this up. So this should be 25 and 25. So I'm going to put this 25% here. This would be country. And now 15 and 10, it's kind of hard for me to determine. I mean, if you really wanted to get technical, you could say, well, 15% of the circle should be rock, 10% should be other. And now you could take this 15% of, well, what should the degrees be in a circle? So you could do 15 is equal to some amount of degrees out of 360. Now if you had a protractor, you could figure that out, but I don't have that with me right now. And so instead I'm just going to kind of estimate with my eye. I know the rock section should be bigger than other because it has more, so I'm just going to kind of split this up and do 15 here and 10 here. Pie charts are kind of hard to do by hand. I would definitely recommend that you put your information into some kind of computer software program like Excel, and you could just type in these numbers 25, 50, 15, and 10 in your categories, and it will actually make a pie chart for you. That's an easy way to do this as well. But for right now, this is a very clear pie. I have my sections very well labeled. I know what each percent is, and I'd say that's pretty good.